Hello everyone, welcome to Vishnuiasacademy. Today we'll discuss about an important practice in India. It's been since centuries we are doing this type of practices. Let's see. So coming to the first one, Dongra farming, and now it's in danger. We'll see where it is and why it is in danger. So if you see this Dongra cultivation, it's a hill slope mixed kind of cultivation. It is particularly in the northeast and mostly in the Odisha. If you see this Dongra woman, they belongs to Kon tribal community. So usually every tribes they'll have their own practices. In the similar way, Kon tribes also practice this kind of mixed cropping system. And if you see, it is a form of shifting cultivation but ecologically very sustainable. This sustainable word is very important. And what are the things they are gonna grow there? Millets, oil seeds, millets, Sri Anna, or the pulses, all the oil seeds, all the sustainable crops they are going in that area, but now this is in threat. We will see why it is. Because of the growing of eucalyptus plant, and eucalyptus monoculture is the major reason for this Dongra threat. And this mixed crop, as I said, is a pattern with a sustainable agriculture and sustainable practice. Now it's our duty to actually save this kind of farming. And if you see here, it's threatening biodiversity and a food security also, because all the eucalyptus practices they are going the monoculture practices of eucalyptus. This is not environment friendly. The only crops like millets are very environment friendly. So, and if you see what are the benefits, actually because of this Dongra cultivation, it ensures national diversity, especially in the nutritional way, and in the even the food security also. In the same way, birds, pollination and biodiversity also plays an important role in this type of farming. If you see all the plants if together, the pollination by birds also will be very much fast. That's why growing that and protecting our soil also will be in the better way. And if you see, maintain soil fertility, because they are mixing more number of crops, the fertility of soil will be the same and it will get improved also. And if you see what are the other significances, if you see as they are growing millets with the oil seeds together. So it is like conservation of traditions, because millets, as we know, we are consuming millets even from the IBC period. Their significance are culture, their significance are tradition. That's why if you see conservation of these traditions along with the millets and oils and community farming, in the same way labor exchange also plays a prominent role in this type of farming. And if you see all the tribals, they rely on either millets or either in oil seeds, because for them they are cheap foods. That's why in order if you promote this kind of farming, we are protecting the food for even the tribal communities also. And if you see, there are other certain practices in India, because India is a culturally diverse. So these will be the other practices we are gonna see now. If you observe Bewar or Dahiya, it is a type of again mixed cropping, particularly we will see in the Madhya Pradesh. And if you see, and with the help of Gond community, this is still in a better place. This what you can see in even Triple R movie also. And if you see Poonam Krishi in the Western Ghats, especially in the regions of Kerala, where we can observe this multi-cropping. And Pamalu in the Manipur, with the help of Jhum cultivation, it's a shifting practice, where they'll burn in the certain areas and they'll be shifting the cultivation. And if you see Kuruma or Podu, we can see in AP and Telangana and in Jharkhand as well. And if you see this Kuruma or Podu, you can see particularly in the hilly slope areas. And if you see Aptan is wet rice, it is very similar kind of this Dongra cultivation, particularly we can see in the Arunachal Pradesh region. And Aptanis, as we know, they are culturally degradable society in the world. And if you see, they cultivate paddy and fish rearing. So this Aptani is very different, because they are cultivating paddy with the fish. So they are using water and the land at the same time. That's why they are very important to know. So because Dongra is very much in the degraded way, knowing about this all things would be very beneficial for you. And if you see, this is the Kuruma or Podu is the previous UPSC question. That's why there is a high chances of asking about this Dongra tribe in the future. So that's it for today. If you like our initiative, please share, comment, subscribe our Vishnu IAS Academy YouTube channel and please press the bell icon. Thank you.